removing the front bumper on an MDX. I think this is from like 06, 07 to 2013 to take the bumper off. So now I'm going to start by taking these clips off. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips. And then I'm going to start on the bottom to take out the clips on the bottom, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Alright, so I'm going to take these clips out. Okay, so all the clips are off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They're all 8. Clips are out. Take this piece off, put it to the side. Gonna be taking the bumper out, the front bumper off, and gonna be removing the headlight because I'm gonna be building something custom for this. For this one. This one's gonna have the halo rings. The inside is gonna be painted, and it's gonna have the LED strip across the front. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Alright, so just finishing up on this. Then I'm gonna have to take out these clips here for the grill, but they never put them back. Whoever did the car. It's supposed to be a clip here, and a bolt here, another bolt here, and another clip here. So I'm gonna take all these out and then start on the bottom. Alright, so finished taking out the 10s that was here and the clips. So all the pieces are out. Clip 10 is out. Then there's gonna be a screw here on the side, right here. See if I can get a better shot for you guys. It's gonna be a screw here on the side, right here. You just unscrew that, and you do the same thing on the other side of the car also. There's gonna be another screw on the side here of the car on the other side. So you take that out too, which is gonna be on this side. I already took out the screws, so put everything in the box, and then you could then you go under and you start pulling the other screws down here. But you can start pulling the bumper now, since most of it is off. You can start pulling the bumper now and the bottom clips. So right now I'm gonna go on the bottom and check for the bottom clips to make sure that they're all if they're all on there or not, because it's missing a lot of clips. I got the bumper off. I'm gonna try to kind of explain to you guys, you know, what clips are where, because on this car, on this MDX, whoever took the bumper off before, they never put everything back the correct way, and they just like completely effed up the bumper. So like I said, there's gonna be one screw here on the side, and that's what sits here on the side of the bumper. On both sides there'll be one screw up here that you just take out. I explained that already. And then as you go under the car, you'll notice that there's going to be a screw here, and the rest are going to be clips on the bottom here, which is going to be connected to this down here, this cover. So there's going to be screws and clips here. There's going to be like a 10 here, because what they did was they zip tied everything here, and it's just crazy. So they zip tied all of this. So I didn't get to take out the clips and stuff like that, so I couldn't show you guys. But right after you take out these clips on the bottom, like I showed you here, the couple of clips that they're going to have, and the screws. It's probably gonna be like 2 screws, one on each side, and a regular screw, and then a 10mm on each side also, and then the rest are just gonna be clips that you just pop out, and that's it. And then you just pull the bumper. You just pull the bumper forward, and it'll come off the car. This one was hitting the front. You can see the cooler is like bent. Crazy. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is finish taking out these headlights, which wasn't hard. It was pretty simple. There's one here, screw here, one clip that they put here. I don't know if that's supposed to be a screw. when you pull this liner down a little bit, you can see the 10 straight ahead there. That's a 10 that you take out. That 10mm right there. You just slip your ratchet in here and take it out, or you could just take out this screw here and then pull this bracket down and then take out that 10 right there. Okay, then you take out this 10 right here, then there's going to be another 10 right here, these two 10s, and then the headlight will drop down. Yeah, then the headlight will drop down, and then you just disconnect the connectors. So I'm going to take out those screws, and then I'm going to get to the part with the connectors so I can show you guys how to disconnect the connectors. Alright, so took all the screws, the ones that were down here, over here, this one that you reach here on the side, you reach through here. Took out the 10 that was here, and then I was able to get the other 10 out of the side here. So now this should, okay, yeah, the headlight moves out of place now. So just pull it forward like so. Take this connector, turn it, and wiggle it out. And that's the bolt. Then this one, just press on the tab here. Pull that tab out. It's another tab here. Pull that tab out. There's another new bulb here. Pull that bulb out. And there's a connector here on the bottom. Press on the tab on the bottom for the connector. Pull that out. And that's it. The headlight's out. All the connectors disconnected. And then, as this one is out, you could just flip it over, the headlight, and then take out the 10mm bolt that's here, that's holding on this metal bracket. Yeah, it's just that one here. So once you take out that one, then the bracket will come out. And that's it here, under the headlight. And then that's it.